It's that time of the year when everyone hates getting these damn leaves up from the curb without getting them all the way out here in the road, creating double work. Today, I'm going to show you guys an old school, simple way to get these leaves out of here without creating extra work. You're going to be amazed. Watch this. Now, this is so damn simple. All you need is a tarp and a damn old school rake to get started. So what you want to do is spread your tarp out on the side like this, where the leaves are. This is where my property ends about right here. Get it spread it out. It's not rocket science. I ain't paying anybody any money to do this, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a senior citizen on a fixed income. I'm not going to give my money away. Spread this whole tarp out. Get it good. Get a little bit of distance from the curb. Just a little bit. Now I got a blower. I can always come along later and do the finishing touches, but it's just as simple. Get it? No matter what you rake. Look at that. See? These are wet and nasty and heavy. It's going to take a little while, but hey, like I said, when he's retired, what's he going to do? You know the story. Then you're going to come to the edge like this, just go like that, on the tarp, on the tarp, on the tarp, on the tarp. Now, let's come and slide your tarp down to the next area. Straighten it out. Like this. Get your rake and get back on it again. These leaves are wet and heavy too. So go ahead. To get your leaves down out of the way, go ahead and do this. Take your tarp, roll them down, roll them down. So, as you can see, the main objective is to keep as fewer leaves on the street as possible so you can create extra work for yourself. Now it's time to play the dreaded drag game. I gotta drag these leaves down to the bottom of the yard and dump them. I got one tarp done. It's probably gonna take two tarps, which is not that bad. They're wet, so they're heavy. So what I usually have to do is pretty much fold that like that, fold that like that, grab here, grab here, in the middle, like this, and we begin this drag. I gotta go all the way down there. Well, I'm almost here. One thing to remember, don't buy a lot of property when you're young because you're gonna get old. I thank God I got enough property here so I don't have to pay anybody to take leaves away. I can just dump it out here and be done with it. I got special area that I dump them in, and it's pretty much simple. I just grab this part, get my footing, take it, slam it, slam it. Dump the leaves, and on with the process. So guys, just like that, as you can see, you have it. The leaves are gone on my side as I walk down. You can see I'm smiling now because the process is over. Phew. Thanks for watching, and please follow us at Cleveland Randolph for more exciting content. Well, I can show you at 65, you're still alive, and there's things you can do to save money and take care of your own without getting ripped off. So with that being said, see you on the next one, and we love you.